Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup look using the Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's just going to be a easy, soft, natural makeup glam, I guess you could say. So if you guys are interested and you guys want to see this look, please stay watching and let's get on to the video. You guys know this is the Soft Glam, and this palette is perfect for people that like natural looks, really don't want to try so hard on a look and or if you're in a rush basically to work or school, you just, pop these colors to look like you tried and you did your makeup, right? So I'm going to prime my eyelids with this Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot by MAC. The reason why I'm going to prime my eyelids with this is because I have oily eyelids. We're gonna go in with the Morphe N54 brush, and we're gonna go in with Tempera. This is this shadow. I feel like every palette has this shade, which is a must. You need this shade in a palette. And I'm just going to set my eyelids all the way to my brow bone. And this I already applied my foundation and everything else. This is just all intention with the eyes. Next brush I'm going to take is the Morphe N441 brush, and I kid you not, this brush is amazing. If you guys haven't seen it in my monthly favorites, go watch it. I'll leave the link down below and you guys could see all my monthly favorites of March. The next color that I'm going to go in is with Orange Soda. So it's like this orangey, it's a perfect transition shade. So we're going to go in with that, and we are going to put it into our crease. So I'm applying it into my crease. It's giving me like, with me it kind of looks like a different color. I don't know if it's because I'm a little tanner or I don't know. It varies probably on your skin tone how these shades are going to look on you. It won't look on everyone the same. So keep that in mind if you're watching my video, and if you're similar to my complexion, this is what the shadows are going to look. If you're fair, keep in mind that it's going to look maybe lighter. And this is going to be very easy and simple every day. You could basically make it more dramatic or make it less dramatic, however you guys want. And then I'm going to go in with Sienna, this color right here. And we're going to put that into our crease as well. But I think I'm going to take a M433 brush from Morphe, and we're going to just take a little bit. I like this brush just because this brush, when you have hooded eyes, it goes right into the socket of your crease. So I think it's just perfect for those that have hooded eyes or for those that really don't know where the eyeshadow goes. If you're new to makeup or new to eyeshadow, this is also a simple little look for you guys to create at home. So then the next color we're going to go in with is Mulberry. And I'm going to take this small little detail brush. It's from Morphe. I don't know the name of the brush. But we're going to take this Mulberry right here. And we're going to take a tad, just because you guys know Anastasia eyeshadows are very pigmented. And we're just going to put that on the outer corner, like a V shape. I hope you guys can see this. It's going to be in a V shape. And since this is like a beginner's type of video, easy every day, it's going to be very easy. I won't cut the crease. I won't do nothing extreme that, a beginner doesn't know how to do. I'll just go with the usual. So now I'm going to go in with bronze. It's like this goldy reflect type of color right here, bronze. And I'm going to take it on this Morphe M421 brush. And I'm going to apply it to my lid. It doesn't have to be perfect, just apply it all the way to your lid. Now I'm going to go in with a clean brush and just blend everything out. Also blending the outer corners. Alright, you guys, this is my finished look. This was just really simple, very effortless, you know, for those that are going to school or work and don't have time and you just want to slap some colors onto your eyelids. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also hit that bell notification to get notified when I upload. I hope you guys have a blessed day and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!